Hello everyone. We all know that animals show some kind of movement and they move from one place to the other place. Now coming back to the plants, does plant move from one place to the other place or they show some kind of movement? The answer for the first question is the plants does not move from one place to the other place. And coming back to the movement, they do show some kind of movement in response, and we will see what kind of response they produce. They show some kind of movement. And can you see some kind of plant that show movement? And one very good example that everyone knows is the sunflower that turns towards the direction of the sun. And the second example, what we are going to see is the plant which is commonly called as the touch me not plant. And can you guess which plant is that? What is the scientific name of the plant? Yes, you guess is right. It is nothing but the Mimosa pudica. That is the scientific name of the plant which is commonly called as the touch me not plant. So why the plant closes its leaves when you touch? Can you just have a look? Can we just have a look at the plant? So let me have a touch at the plant and see whether it closes its leaves when I touch it or not. Can we have a try? Yes. Now these are the leaves of the touch me not plant, which is the common name, and scientific name is Mimosa pudica. And now as I am touching the plant leaf, what happens to it? It closes its leaves. It's really wondering how the leaf gets closed. Does all the leaf closes when we touch? No, definitely not. But how does Mimosa pudica closes its leaves when we touch it? Yes, there is some reaction happening. Usually we have studied about stimulus and response. So what happens? Any stimulus is there, there is a response. Similarly, our touch acts as a stimulus, and thereby what happens is that the plant closes its leaves as the response that is produced out of it. And how this change happens? There are some chemicals that are released from the stem when we touch the plant. And these chemicals, what happens is that it forces the water to move out of the cell, and that creates the loss of turgor pressure, and as a result the leaves droop and closes. And then the next question, will the leaves close only when we touch, or is there any other time the leaves closes? Yes, the leaves also closes due to breeze as well as at the night time. Hope we had some information about the touch me not plant. The scientific name is Mimosa pudica and the reason why it closes its leaves. Thank you.